Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start over and create a new character in Where Winds Meet. So if you picked the wrong person or just want a fresh start, this process is a bit tricky because there is no direct delete character button, but I will show you a method that can go around this particular problem. So first, it's important to note that the game currently limits you to one character and does not allow you to simply delete that one single character. Now, to get around this, we have to use an account linking trick to move your unwanted character off from your main Steam account. So here is exactly how to do that. First, just simply go inside your game. Now, once you're in your game, just simply press Escape on your keyboard. Then simply go to the Settings tab over here. Simply go to the end of the option menu at the top, click on Others, and over here you should be able to see an option called Bind Account. Click on the arrow in front of Bind Account, then a small window will appear in front of you. Just simply wait for a few seconds, and right over there look for a section called NetEase Games. So what you do is just simply click on Link over here and bind your account. Now it'll redirect you to the NetEase website, so over there, just simply click on Bind Account and bind your current account with NetEase Games. So you need to create a new dummy NetEase account and link your current unwanted character to that. And once that character is safely linked to the NetEase account, you can unbind your Steam account now. And now, once you have done all of that, when you log back in via Steam, the game will ask to start a fresh account, allowing you to create a brand new character. Or if you don't want to mess with unbinding, you can simply use a different account entirely. So go to the User Account menu over here, click on the small Add option, then click on this box option right over here, and then you can simply log in with a brand new NetEase account, and you can enter the credentials over here. And since it is a new account, you will instantly be taken to the character creation page to start your new journey. So that's it. That is the only way currently to reset your progress and choose a new path. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.